Welcome to week 5 of online summer camp by Lee. It is time for your Tinkering Tuesday activity. Today we are going to learn parts of plants and we are going to make parts of plants. The main parts of the plant are leaves, stem, roots and flowers. The roots take water from the ground. The leaves make food for the plant. The stem carries the food to the whole plant and the flower helps the plant to make babies. Get the materials needed and do the activity along with me. You can pause the video whenever needed. Make sure to use the materials very carefully. You can get the help of some elders while using sharp objects like scissors and heat source.
Required for this activity are colored paper, black pen, pencil, scissors, sellotape, Fevicol or glue and dried grass. So first we'll begin with the flower. This is a A4 size paper which is rectangular in shape, but we need a square paper. So what we'll do is we'll turn this rectangular paper into a square paper. First we will join this end to end where this both become one. Okay, can you all see? So, and press it over here. Okay, now this part, this is the extra part, we have to fold either backwards or forwards, whichever way is okay. So fold it like that or like that. Ultimately we have to tear this part. Okay, so now I'll tear this part. Open this part and I'll tear this part. Either you can take the help of your parent and tear it with a scissor, or you can just use your nails and make the fold prominent and tear it like that. Okay, this part we can keep it aside. Now I'll make a flower out of this square paper. We had already folded this, so again we have to just repeat the same thing. Touch this end to this end and this becomes a triangle. Yeah. Like this, you make a triangle. Okay. Now, hold it like that and we'll make one more triangle. Touch this end to this end. And we'll make another triangle. So, I'll show again. Fold it like that and make another triangle. Okay. Now we'll open this triangle. Only one triangle. One triangle is there. One triangle will open. Okay. Now we have to look carefully at the center. This is the center which we have made with the folding of triangle, but we have opened it. Now what we have to do is we have to fold this like that. You have to keep the center in mind and fold it like that. Got it? I'll show you once again. We have to fold it like that. Keep the center in mind and fold it like that. Same way from the other side. Keeping the center in mind, we are folding it like that. Got it? Now we'll turn this. And we will fold this a little, just a little. From here also, if you see, I'll just fold this and fold it a little, just a little. Can you see? Just a little. So from this both ends we have folded like that. Okay. If you can see, our flower is ready. Now we'll work on the stem. For the stem, we have to take this green paper. Again, we will use this paper by making it into a square. I have already shown how to make a square. We'll touch this end to this end to make it a square. Can you see? This end should be touched like that, and this should be like that. And then just press this. And we have to remove this extra part like that. This extra part we have to remove, and this time we'll use this part to make the stem. Now we have torn this and we have two pieces. The square part we will keep aside for the leaves. We'll take this part and stick a glue over here to stick these roots. We'll start with the process. Just take a little glue. Take the roots. Press it for some time and let it dry. You see? This dried grass you can find around your house anywhere, somewhere in the nest. And if you don't have dried grass, you can just cut some brown strips and use it as the roots. Now we'll roll this. Take a pencil. Make sure that you keep some end of the pencil outside and start to roll it like that. So this is how we have rolled it. Remove the pencil slowly. Now we'll stick this with the sellotape. You see, I have taken a sellotape to roll this. Can you see? The stem is ready. We'll keep the stem aside. Take this paper which we had left and we'll draw nice leaves on this, and then we'll cut the leaves. You can start the leaf making the stem and then drawing it like that. Like that. One more. You can draw some extra leaves. You think you may make some mistakes while cutting, you can draw one extra leaf. Now we'll cut these leaves. Now from this side, make sure you take the help of your parents while using scissors. This is our one leaf. I will cut this leaf. This is our second leaf. So we have two leaves now. We'll stick them to this stem. So before sticking, we'll just take an assumption. We'll stick one leaf like that so that it looks good, and this one like that. So now we can use the glue. We can use both the leaves. Just stick them like that. Press them and let them dry. Now that we have stuck the leaves, we'll take a flower and we'll stick our flower over here. We'll use some glue, stick it to a flower. And we'll stick it to the stem. We'll press it for some time, let it dry. And as you can see, our flower is ready. A stem, flower, leaves and roots.
Students, hope you enjoyed today's activity. Make sure to read the video now to know some fun facts about flowers. Want some bonus XPs? Take a picture or a video of your activity, parts of plants and upload it to win bonus XPs.